Hey there. So now, in this lesson, or this brief introduction rather than a lesson, we're going to look at your objective over here on the side. How do animals meet their basic needs? So, how do animals meet their basic needs? Take a moment to think about how many different kinds of animals there are on Earth. Look out a window. What animals share the same habitat as you? All living things will die if their basic needs of food, water, and air and shelter are not met. Keep reading and following along with me to learn about how these things and why these things are so important to both humans and animals. Basic needs of human and animal. There are 4 basic survival needs: food, air, shelter, and water. Let's take a look at food. Whatever he's eating looks really yummy. It's some kind of kebab. Looks like chicken on there. He's got some good stuff on there. So, unlike plants, animals and humans cannot make their own food, so they rely on other animals and plants for food. Without food, humans and animals can't survive. Humans and animals need food for the following reasons. We've got to have energy, we've got to be able to grow, to heal, and defense against diseases and illnesses. Production, also in the production of heat in order to keep our body warm. All right, and the next thing that humans and animals need, O2, oxygen. Good old oxygen right here. Air is essential to the survival of humans and animals. Without air, humans and animals will die in just a short time. Mammals, land animals, and humans breathe air to get oxygen. Fish, crabs, octopi, sharks, seahorses, and other underwater animals obtain oxygen from dissolved air in the water. All right? The third thing that animals need to meet their basic needs, shelter. Although their homes are very different, both humans and animals need shelter to survive. Shelter is needed for the following reasons. Well, it protects us from the sunlight. Here's the sunlight. And we're being protected from too much sunlight and other dangerous weather. Protection from physical harm, such as predators trying to come in and get us. Protection from diseases and illnesses. And the last thing that we need to meet our basic needs is water. Water is also essential to both the survival of humans and animals. Humans and animals will die if they don't have water for a certain period of time. Water is needed for the following reasons. We need water for blood circulation. We need water to remove waste. If you think about that, you can figure out what that is. We need water to transport food. And we need water to help us maintain our body temperature. All right? So, we're summing everything up. How do animals meet their basic needs? How do they meet their basic needs? Well, our basic needs are food, oxygen, shelter, and water. All right? Remember water helps us with blood circulation, helps us remove waste, helps us to transport food and nutrients throughout the body, and it helps us to maintain our body temperature. And shelter, remember, shelter protects us from the sun. It also protects us from harm, from creatures that might want to harm us or predators that might be looking for us, and it prevents us from getting illnesses. All right, and then we're going to look at oxygen. All right, without oxygen, without air, without oxygen, humans and animals would die in just a short time. Mammals, land animals, and humans, we need it. We need air We need to be able to breathe air to get oxygen. And then we have good old food. And I don't know what he is having, but I would not mind trying it. So, remember, we rely on other animals and plants for food. Without food, we couldn't survive. We need food because we need energy. We need to be able to grow. It helps us to grow so we don't stay little forever. It helps us to heal. It helps defend us against illnesses. And the production of heat helps to keep the body warm. Good stuff. Hope you guys have a good day.